So we decided on trying this vegetarian spot out because she's a vegetarian. So it's a cool front outdoor hostess area. It's pretty cool. We got the lemonade with coconut water chia seeds. Cheers. Yeah. So what is that?
Flowery.
What is it?
Jamaican hibiscus punch.
Jamaican hibiscus punch. This is the Bow Wow. Has tofu, barbecue tofu on these little slider buns. Look how big my hand is compared to these. Our server said this is gonna take long, so they offered free dessert. But yo, I don't know about this, how I feel, but this is the Save the Tuna sushi, veggie sushi with a black cup of nothing. So we pretty much devoured our food, and David, the server, hooked us up with this sundae. I forgot what it's called. Brownie. So come out to 7th and Carson. Check out this place, Vegination, right now. Check them out on Instagram. #Vegination.